To check a Bluetooth phone's compatible features, visit lexus.com/mobilelink. Whether you have a remote touch or touchpad controller, pairing a compatible phone on a navigation-equipped Lexus is the same. First, make sure the vehicle power is on. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth feature and navigate to the Bluetooth pairing or connection page on your phone. Next, press the vehicle's menu button on the center console. Then select Setup on the navigation screen. Select Bluetooth. On the Bluetooth setup screen, choose Add. Be sure your phone's Bluetooth feature is active and discoverable. Then, select the vehicle's device name in your phone's Bluetooth settings menu. Some phones will pair automatically and may require you to confirm the pairing on your device. If your phone requires a passcode to be entered, the system provides one below the vehicle's device name. Your contacts will be transferred automatically if automatic transfer is enabled. To enable it and add, edit, or delete contacts in your call history, select Setup from the main menu. Then, Phone. And select Contact Call History Settings. Then, turn the Automatic Contact History on to automatically transfer your phone's contacts and call history. You can also clear the call history and delete contacts from here too. If your Bluetooth connection is ever terminated or you cannot transfer the data, go to lexus.com/mobilelink for information about your phone's compatibility. To receive a call, press the off-hook button on the steering wheel. To end the call, press the on-hook button. To place a hands-free call, press the talk switch on the steering wheel. And a list of voice commands will appear on the display. Wait until you hear a beep. Then speak your command.
Dial 310-555-1212.
Dial 310-555.
The system will confirm and automatically dial the number. To end the call, press the on-hook button. To call a registered name or a transferred number from your cell phone, say the name exactly as it's entered in the phone book. Very short names may not be recognized by the system. Press the talk switch. Wait for the beep and say,
Call Jim Walker.
The system will display numbers associated with the contact.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Press the on-hook button to cancel. For the best connection between your vehicle and phone, the phone should be in the front console or front passenger seat area.
We're rocking and a rolling, wheeling and a dealing at Keyes on that ice.